Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I got another comment of saying guys, Purley Oaks, I'm just walking to the end of platform 3. This is the car 700, here we go. Two class 700s came through platform 3 and 4. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please smash the like button, subscribe, turn the notifications on. Comment down below what one do you think is the best horn. The first one on platform 4 or the second one on platform 3. I think it is the platform 3 one, because he done an amazing horn. Like, it was just going straight through like that. See you later guys. I'll let you get this 377. And before I go, comment down below. Right, you got 3 things to do. Comment down below what one do you think, what one's the best horn out of the class 700 on platform 4 or platform 3, and comment down below how many carriages do you think that 377 had. Thank you so much for watching guys. Enjoy the rest of your weather. Bye bye.